People are staring at me.
You changed my station.
I don't know. Look how pretty. You two could not be more alike. Good morning. It's day 2 and I've been up since 6. I just woke up. I didn't even wake up to my alarm. I woke up earlier than that. So I got up to watch the sunrise and it's so pretty. You'll have already seen the time lapse, but so gorgeous. So I've got my devotional book and my vacation whodunit. I've also got some cinnamon toast and some iced coffee. I put some honey in it this time because we don't have any sugar on hand, so I thought this might help sweeten it up a little. And I'm gonna eat some breakfast to this view. So I randomly woke up in the middle of the night, happened to look out the back door where the ocean is. When I tell you, the stars were the brightest I had ever seen them. I can't even describe to you. It's like the photos you see people take when they're epic travelers and they go to places without any light pollution. It was beautiful. I could see all the constellations. The moon was right over the ocean, casting that really pretty white line. It was just, it was so pretty. I'm so glad I woke up in the middle of the night to see it. People are staring at me for videoing, but that's okay. The beach is really empty. It's only, I think it's probably close to 7. Some people are out walking their dogs, some people are looking for shells. It's kind of fun to see what the morning people are up to. Someone is changing my radio station.
Excuse you? What are you doing? What are you doing to my radio?
In this world today.
I have a question. What's my name? What's my name? What's my name?
I said, what?
That's not it.
You changed my station. You changed my station.
You silly. My mirror is a little dirty. I'm not sure why. Well, it's not my doing. But today I'm wearing my blue swimsuit today. I need to wash my black one, so I'm gonna be wearing this one. It's super cute. Let's see if I can show you the back. Very, very flattering. I feel really confident in this and I like the color. I'm gonna be wearing that. I think we're gonna head out to the beach. I just need to figure out what I wanna do with my hair. Should I just leave it down or try to contain it in some braids? I don't know. I'll probably just leave it down. Anyway, beach time. We're about ready to go swim in the ocean. She's so ready. She's so ready. What do you think of the beach, Mom? Is this paradise? What you live for? What I live for.
At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way.
Aria's looking for seashells and it's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Right. You're getting lots of them. You're finding lots of them.
Find another one.
Find another shell.
There's one there.
Wow. Look at that pretty shell.
Into the basket it goes.
What is this?
Oh, her hat. I have to fix it. Wow! We're gonna quickly fill up this basket.
Another one. Look at you. Good job, baby.
Let's fix your hat.
Hat's on.
Hi, honey. Hi! Are you having a good time? Are you having a good time? Chasing seagulls. Are you loving this?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Also, if the vlogging isn't very steady, it's because I can't see. It's so bright that my screen is practically dark. I can't see a thing, so sorry if the footage isn't very good. Update. It's a good while later. We came in from the beach. My brother put Aria down for a nap. Then I took a nap. And now Aria's up having lunch. I just can't seem to fully wake up. I'm struggling. But I'm afraid that if I sleep any longer, I won't be able to sleep tonight. So, I'm not sure what to do at this point. I also need to be better about showing you what's happening as opposed to just telling you. The thing is, I'm so caught up in what we're doing that I kind of forget to vlog little things, like little transitions, like fixing lunch or, you know, things like that. I'll be better. It's only day 2. Are you dancing? It's a little bit later. I've fully woken up and I've decided to sit out here in the gorgeous weather at our little outside picnic table and read a little bit more of my book. I just felt like the weather was so nice, I didn't want to waste it. I thought, well, even if we can't go into the ocean, I can still enjoy the weather and the sound. So I'm going to be reading this little whodunit. It's by Agatha Christie called And Then There Were None. I recently discovered that a friend of mine has read this and had a good review of it, so that makes me even happier. I haven't read too much, as you can see, I'm only this far, but it's really grabbing my attention. It's passing between, I want to say like 5 different characters, which at first I thought, oh no, this isn't going to keep my attention, but it actually is really interesting. So I'm going to sit here, read a little bit, and just breathe in the salty air and listen to the sound of the ocean. Also, I just have to say this dress is from ASOS and it is the most comfortable dress I've ever worn. It feels like a nightgown. It's just such light material. It's long enough to be modest but flowy enough to not be hot. I'm so glad I bought it. It was kind of a last minute, ooh, I want a dress for vacation, click. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some reading.
Not moving, so
Oh my
I
word.
don't know what's up with that.
You two could not be more alike.
She's just completely content just to lay here, and I think if I move, she'll get upset. So here I am.
In the spirit of showing you a little bit more of what I'm doing throughout the day, I'm gonna start some hamburger and we're gonna have spaghetti for dinner, which sounds so good right now. So I'm just gonna get that started real quick. Came out here because I saw the remnants of a sunset. It looked like a good one, and I'm not disappointed. I just wish the buildings weren't in the way. But here, let me show you. Look at that. Look how pretty. Oh, I love those colors. Everyone dance. Yeah, you stopped right quick. Everyone was dancing, trying to get Ari to dance. Music. She wanted me to put the earphones on, and then once they were on, she wanted me to turn the radio on. Yeah. There you go.